Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to go live from YouTube in your YouTube mobile application. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you looking for how to go live on YouTube from your mobile application. So in order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to open your YouTube application. After open it, you will see in this down there is a plus icon. Simply click over there and then you will find there's something say go live. Simply click over go live, and whenever you're going to open your YouTube live application, it's going to be looks like this. By default it's going to be appear your front facing camera, and if you decide to change this camera to a back, you can simply click over there and it's going to be take you the back camera. And from here, if you decide to choose a title, it will going to be appear by default your channel name, and it's going to appear Teach Help Bangla is going live. So you can easily customize this title as you want. So I'm going to type here Teach Help Bangla live, and then I'm going to just give just like this, and then you can choose here visibility. You can make it here public or unlisted. So I am going to choose it to public, and then it's going to see audience. No, it's not made for kids. You can choose here. Also it's saying to invite guests go live together. You can set if you want. Also you can add a live description if you want, add them. And then if I go back, we will see there is a location. You can set a location if you wish to set. Also you can make schedule for later. So YouTube Live has a special features. You can set a schedule live for later, so in your audience they can knows that when you're going to be upcoming live. You can make it here schedule for later, and you can easily choose the date and time you want. For example, I want to choose here 11 February, and then I'm going to click here OK, and then I'm going to make it here for example 6 p.m. and I'm going to make it here 6 p.m. 6:30 p.m. and I'm going to click here OK. And then if I go here advanced setting, we'll see you can set here allow chat, and also you can turn on allow enable monetization if you want, if you wish like to. So I'm going to turn on both of them, and I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to click here next. Now it will give you option to set a thumbnail. So I'm going to choose a thumbnail, and you can see this is the thumbnail how it's going to be looks like. If you want to retake new thumbnail, you can click this pen icon and you can click here retake thumbnail, and you can easily choose your new thumbnail. And after that, if I going to click here done, we will see in this screen, we will see upper side there is a calendar icon, and then we will see that I had make it here Teach Help Bangla going to be live on 11 August. This is the particular time. So in this particular time, my audience, they will get their newsfeed that I'm going to be live on that particular time. If you decide to delete all this schedule, you can simply delete them. Or if you decide to go live right now, you can simply do all this setup and click here next, and then you can simply set a thumbnail. For example, I set this thumbnail, and then if you click here go live, that's going to be immediately go live in your YouTube channel, and then your all audience going to be join in your live. So within this simple way, you can easily go live from your YouTube in your mobile application. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.